Welcome to PFTV. Kishore Malankani, it's a 1-1 draw. Malankani, talk to us.
Oh, okay mfethu mina vele okuningi vele angeke ngize ngicomplain igame ibe sharp as amabhakaniya akumelanga sigive up kumele siqhubeke support amajita kube idraw vele mara bese expect to win so into engizoba nethemba ngayo ukuthi Sundowns nayo showcase ayizowina wonke lama game especially la njengoba izodlala nePolokwane kayi2 so asibe nethemba ke bafowethu singa give up support amajita lento le ukuthi socomplaina ngama player ukuthi lo dlala kanjani omunye akadlali grand akumelanga senze so as ama fan because omunye nomunye oanalyze ibhola the way vele abona ngayo yabona indlela vele abona ngayo omunye uzothanda umbuthuma omunye uzothanda umahopa just because homeboy yakhe for some kind of reasons so mina vele into ngishoyo ukuthi nje support namajita nje up until izifike egcineni lelona le league showcase vele nje ngisasenalo ithemba ukuthi ngayithatha le league
mina ngilibhakaniya but
Okay, yeah, okay.
once and always.
Yeah. So namhlanje uwena kanjani Bhakaniya?
Chiefs ayilwa naye marriage.
Yeah.
Anisitita kuwanitwa or wantwisisana or lata kunthani translate.
Khuluma talk.
Ayilwa na maliji.
Yeah.
Chiefs make sure ukuthi Pirates doesn't win the league. And then leswi swi nga endleka namuntlha ekuta ku ri Chiefs yi te na plan just to drop a point for Pirates. Better league ya wina Cape Town City from Imvela to PSL than Pirates. It is nga endleka namuntlha but the game plan was good, everything was good, but refereeing timing, I think that's a problem. Yeah. Anisitita ku loko mina anofika mzuku ibi vanhu va ku swilo swa ku saseka lava ba impama a sasekanga swilo namuntlha.
So do you still believe you're going to take this league, Bhakaniya?
Game ya soccer ball ifana na madayisi u xapa popa namhlanje ka usani u xapa dayisi. Yeah. So until the last game
You don't have hope, Bhakaniya. Oh, game ifana na matayisi. Say matayisi thina.
No.
Do you believe you're going to take this league? Yes or no?
Yes.
I am matayisi.
Yes, as a Bhakaniya, I'm going to take this league. We are going to take this league because I see us good whatever happened to Pirates today. Kuzenzeka yini ku Sundowns today or kusasa. Understand? But loko nokujela niwine ticket mina didn't buy ticket for this derby.
What happened? You win kanjani?
I was in Limpopo.
Okay.
If can tenga 12 Amstel, one skin is what to win a ticket. I can even show it in my phone.
Yeah.
I drove from Limpopo today 4:30. I left on a Friday. I drove from Limpopo today 5:30. I was leaving Limpopo to watch this game. Even now, I'm still driving to Limpopo back.
Yeah.
I'm coming back tomorrow night because they want me at work on Tuesday morning.
Okay, no thanks, Bhakaniya. Wopa. Sasa nesinga
Aniko happy ile 1-1 draw.
Yeah.
Ngoba uyabona nesonga sami sive senze draw asiliwanga namhlanje. Uyabona? Kanti esonga siqhela uba singaphuma e-stadium. Sidliwe lapha e-stadium. And le game namhlanje I was 100% sure ukuthi siyayiwina even ngamagoli amaninzi more than 2 goals. Xa bendizama ukujonga umgangatho weKaizer Chiefs ama players wabo indlela abaslowly ngawo to compare nama players wePirates indlela fast ngawo when it comes to speed. But ke wonke umuntu makuzodlala ibhola naye ufayithela ukuthi uzowina. Nabe befayithela ukuthi bawine ngoba bafuna ukugcina number 3 at the same time bafuna ukustopha thina ukuthi singayiwini league. So i-game plan yabo ispanile because ngoba apho nibona wasikhawatheke kakhulu i-injury kaMoremi kuye kwanyanzela ukuthi si-substitute ngokwami ukucinga ucoach mina benisithi xa kuphuma uMoremi uzofaka uNdaba kule ndawo kaMoremi then apusha uDion Hoto ayephambili to put more fire phambili. iKaizer Chiefs bingeke isenzene as a result nangoku bahambe kulona lela side leli lika Dion Hoto. uDion Hoto be overlaphile ephambili bashanga counter lapho vele bebehlele emva bedefendile besoyika ispeed sethu ngoba baza bekho mnandi kwispeed. Otherwise wona hayi badlalilo lamthuthu ndiyabavuyela badlalile thina kona hayi sikhathazekile benithina namhlanje ngizobe enjoy nje lamthuthu wami kahle yabo Wow eish. And enjoy kahle lo lamthuthu. Enjoy only 4 points kule season kanti nikhela u6 points kulamthuthu.
No, that's true, Storms. So do you believe Uti is still going to take this league?
We are still on the race. Anfuna ukuxoxa, we are still on the race until to the last game. iPirates ingayiwini league even nge-last game ama-point elingana nge-goal difference. Kodwa i-league kona sizoyiwina sekwi-race.
Your man of the match today?
Hey, my man of the match. Ngulo goalkeeper wabo lo andaba my friend lo mndiya lo lama saves wakhe lo mndiya lo hayi walile bese nikhumbula umngani wethu lo uthiwa nguBruce Vuma at least ngeseyikorile i4 lapha nguBruce Vuma.
No, thanks Storms Bopa.
Kakhulu. And namhlanje bonga ngisupport ngiyabona bongimenyethi. Bokayi.
All
these derbies always behind me supporters wami bongekho today.
No,
that's why ships here yama endleleni yemali. Phela ships spoil a party. Remember last time isnikeze sweet 3.3 goals. This time the 3 goals besimfuna le lokuza no 3 points besimfuna. Lo 3
fasa zemnyama sifasa. Ephakani ngicela ukubuza. Why Chiefs celebrate?
Angazi.
Why bajabulile?
Ama Ice Boys we Sundowns angithi bafuna ukusiza iSundowns.
Why bajabulile?
Angazi phakathi.
Okay, sharp, no problem. Chiefs ijabulile ukuthi sidrowile. Thina squadile sizwa ngathi sidliwe. Mamela phakani. Mina ngilwe ne sharp. Basemsota labantu basekhaya ne sharp angilwe futhi. Ngicela ungimamele kahle. Labantu basekhaya sharp ubadlalile badrowile nathi singamabhakabhaka. Sharp asile thina. They remaining ku number 3. We are still remaining humble ku number 4. Sharp. Siyavuma sibonga silwi sharp. Into engibuza A1
Thina siku number 2 angizibona ba ku number 3.
Exactly, si number 2 thina. By number 3 bona. Sharp. Bona lapho bayohlala khona ngeke baze baphuthe number 3. Sharp. Ngicela ukubuza umbuzo oyi1. Kuwe Pakani. Wena ngiyazi uyiPakani yamfethu. Ngicela ukubuza into eyi1. Sharp. Ama Pirates. Okay, Sharp awinile ngithi. Awinile namhlanje.
Ama Pirates.
Yo. Awinile ama Pirates.
Draw angithi 1-1.
Mawungathi ngabuzo awinile ama Pirates. I'm telling you, Pirates are winning.
Hayi Pakani let's be realistic. Bemele siwine le game.
Phela abantu abaningi bathi iSundowns yona izowina because of babona ukuthi iwina nga1 izo draw 1 until the league. Sundowns ingaluza ileague ephinde iluze iCAF.
Yeah, it's a possibility mara the way senza ngakhona ngathi sobanika le league Pakani.
Hayi mapakani. Asidlali kabi thina. Asidlali kabi. Pakani. Thank you.
Man of the match.
Man of the match. Straight. Nikalo nto abathi Duba. We Chiefs Duba straight.
All right, no thanks Pakani abopha.
Game mhlanje ngibona imnandi kakhulu because mina I was not expecting I lose. I was expecting you win or draw. So I'm very happy ngedraw.
Yeah. So Kosi mara nina wayini sivimba nifuna iSundowns ithathe league kahle yini inkinga yenu?
No ways inkinga yethu sivika inkulumo. Sifika nje inkulumo not like sifuna Sundowns league. It's either it's you or Sundowns. We don't give them because thina ngesafika. Yabona sifika nje inkulumo.
So between the two teams ungathanda ukuthi ithathe obani?
Pirates Sundowns the Talmos.
So nizoyivimba because indala nani ninayo la elistini yenu?
We cannot angesikhona uyivimba because thina we are 2 down. So angesikhona uyivimba thina. Net sinesihlayela ukuthi sifihle ihlazo nje kuphela.
All right, no thanks member abopha.
Soba le2 ngeeffort ebesinayo ngendlela ucoach obekanikeza ngayo ama players indlela ukuthi ba encourage ngayo bebe khona ngayo. I didn't expect this today. I'm very disappointed but so far so good ngeteam ukuthi bengi-expect ukuthi ileague sizoyithola but sesisele lama game ayi3 or 4 ithemba lami selilincane but indlela esiphusha ngayo I think uthi Pirates izoya phambili and sizoyithatha le league. I-league ngeyethu.
All right.
For mina i-league ngeye-Pirates. Okay, ayithathi Sundowns ikhefu ngalena or izoyithatha or izoluza nge-last day but i-Pirates ngine belief yokuthi izoyithatha i-league. Abathatha ikhefu.
I-man of the match yakho namhlanje?
I-man of the match yami namhlanje angifuni ukuthi ngimabasa or ngithi ngifukeni but ama-team lawo edlala okufanayo. So i-man of the match asimnikeze we-Chiefs simdedeli.
All right, no, thanks, Pagania. Welcome to PFTV, Spetti Kosi. Kosi, nisivimbile namhlanje game ibone kanjani?
Namhlanje game yami, it was a beautiful game. Njengoba na uyibonile, iPagania beyisigijimisa uthami. Ngoba mawubheka igame yafandak sina besidlalela nje ukuthi siprove yethu igame uthami today. Besimnandi, igame beyimnandi yona. Into engichaze ngale game uthami ne ngizokutshela ne bokungana ama fight. Into engithanda ngale game. Yeah.
Although swabonile ama fight kancane kuma security but at least it wasn't ama fan. So Kosi nisivimbile ndoda. Your next mission is to Vimba Sundowns. Do you think you're gonna Vimba Sundowns as well?
Sizozama but our intention ngithi angifuni uqambela i-Sundowns so vula sayinika. Lambili league uthami. Lambili league. You know what?
So ufuna ukuthi Sundowns dominate the league for the rest of
decided. Nispethe ngara kulona what we ilona squad.
Yeah.
Ne September we were one family ngithi uthami. Yeah, kumele sinikana ama chance.
Yeah.
You understand?
So uthi nisinike chance esquadini and then ninike Sundowns chance ku league.
No. No, sizonibambela iSundowns. But then iya ngokuthi iPagania ithile. Awusinike respect njenga phela.
Yeah.
Sinike respect uthami.
Yeah.
Then sizoshare sokubambela iSundowns. Mara na ubona sidlalile nyeke siyeke iSundowns. So ibamba na.
All right, Kosi, your man of the match for today.
Peterson uthami. iPeterson uthami akekho omunye uthami. Umbonile nawe uthami. Beside eziningi uPeterson beka formile vandag uthami. Beka formile straight. Umnika iman of the match uthami.
All right, thanks Kosi.
Thank you uthami.
Sure.